Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's learn some math tricks. Why 1 is called 1? Because 1 has one angle. 2 has two angles, this and this. 3 has three angles, this, and this. 4 has four angles, this, and this, and this. 5 has five angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 has six angles. 7 has seven angles. 8 has eight angles. 9 has nine angles. 0 has zero angles. So let's learn square roots and clock. Square 1 is 1. Square 4 is 2. Square 9 is 3. Square 16 is 4. Square 25 is 5. Square 36 is 6. Square 49 is 7. Square 64 is 8. Square root of 36 is 6 because 6 6 are 36. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 7 is 49. Square root of 64 is 8 because 8 8 is 64. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 9 is 81. Square root of 100 is 10 because 10 10 is 100. Square root of 121 is 11. 11 11 is 121. And square root of 144 is 12 because 12 12 is 144. Now let's learn what is a prime number. What do you notice about the numbers in green? Numbers in green are prime. Why one is not prime? Because it is only by 1. Because it has only one factor. 2 has two factors, 1 and 2. 3 has factors 1 and 3. 4 has factor 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. 5 has two factors 1 and 5. 7 has 1 and 7. 11 has 1 and 11. 2 has factor 1 and 2. So green are prime and yellow are factors. 2 is prime number. 3 is prime number. 7 is prime number. 5 is prime number. And 11 is prime number. 2 has two factors 1 and 2. 5 has 1 and 5. Two factors. And 7 has two factors 1 and 7. And 11 has two factors 1 and 11. These are prime numbers. Now let's learn fractions, percents and decimals. Fraction 1. 1 is 100%, and we will say in decimal 1.0. 1 by 2, it is 50%, half, and 0.5. 1 by 3 is 33.3%, 0.33 decimal. 1 by 4 is 25%, 0.25. 1 by 8 is 12.5%, and decimal 0.125. 1 by 10 is 10%, 0.1. Now let's learn fractions, decimals and percentage. Fraction 1 by 10 and percent 10%, we can say in decimal 0.1. Like if you have 10 boxes, it is 1 out of 10, 10%. 1 by 5 in decimal 0.2 and 20%. We have 5 boxes, it is 5 out of 1. 1 by 4, it is in decimal 0.25, 25%. From 4 boxes, 1. 1 by 3 in 0.33, 33.3%. In 3 boxes, 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 0.5, 50%. From 2, 1 by 2. 3 by 4, 0.75, 75%. From 4 boxes, 3. And 1 is whole, 100%. Now let's convert. How to convert decimal percentage fraction. Decimal 0.23. So if we will make this in percentage, we should multiply it by 100. So 0.23 into 100 is 23%. Now fraction out of 100, so 23 by 100, 0.5. So we will multiply by 100. 0.05 into 100 is 5%, and in fraction 5 by 100. We can simplify it, so 1 by 20. Now how to convert percentage into decimal. So we will divide it by 100. So 7 divided by 100 is 0.07. In decimal to fraction, 7 by 100. Now 12 divided by 100 is 0.12. Now decimal to fraction, 12 by 100, and we can simplify it, 3 by 25. Now let's learn divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 2 if it is even. For example, 2, 6, 4, 8, 28 and 242. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, like 321. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 3 2s are 6. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, like 644. So last digit 2 digits are 44 and divided by 4, so is equal to 11. So 4 11s are 44. This is last 2 digits. A number is divisible, so 644 can be easily divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5, like 25, 35, 60, 120 or 1225. A number is divisible by 6 if it's even and divisible by 3, like 72, 114, 648. A number is divisible by 7 if you double the last digit, subtract from the remaining number and get 0 or a multiple of 7, like 637. So 63, and we will double 7, so 63 minus 14 is equal to 49. 63 minus 14 is equal to 49. So 7 sevens are 49. So 637 is divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, like 5128. So last 3 digits are 128. So 128 divided by 8 is equal to 16. so this number is easily divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. It's same like 3. So like 3, for example 324, so we will add 3 plus 2 plus 4, so it is 9. So this number 324 will be easily divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0, like for example 200, 3030, 1240. A number is divisible by 11 if you subtract the last digit from the remaining number and get a multiple of 11, like 297, so 29 and the last digit left is 7, so 29 minus 7 is 22. So this number will be easily divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 12 if it's divisible by 3 and 4, like 156, 1212 and 2892. Now this is the equation 5x plus 7 is equal to root 2. So 5 is coefficient and x is a variable and 7 is constant, and this is expression, and this whole it is called equation because it has this sign. So the terms are 5x, 7 and root 2. Now let's learn order of operations. So first parenthesis 25, so we will first solve the parentheses which are in bracket, like 4 minus 1, so we will solve first the bracket. Now exponents. Now the question is 25 minus 5 into 3 plus 3 raised power 2, so this is exponent, so then we will solve this. Multiplication and division. Perform all multiplication and division in order from left to right. As you can see, 5 into 3, so we will multiply, and 9 divided by 3. Addition and subtraction. Perform all addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So 25 minus 15, 10 and 3 is equal to 3, so it's equal to 13. So this is called BODMAS or PODMAS parenthesis or BODMAS bracket. Now let's learn GCF, greatest common factor. Biggest number. What is GCF? Biggest number that is a common factor of each number. Like for example, we have 12 and 9. So 12 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and 9 has 1, 3 and 9. So the common in this 12 and 9 is 3, the biggest common. So 3 is the biggest number. So 3 is equal to GCF, greatest common factor. Now let's learn LCM, least common multiple. Smallest number that is a common multiple of 2 or more number. Like we have 6 and 8. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. In 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. So the common multiple are 24 and 8 threes are 24. So the least common, smallest common is 24. So 24 is equal to LCM. Now let's learn math prefix. Poly means is equal to many, like polygon. Tri is 3, like a triangle. Quad is equal to 4, like correlator. Penta is equal to 5, penta like pentagon. Hexa is equal to 6, like hexagon. And hepta is equal to 7, like heptagon. Octa is equal to 8, like octagon. Nona is equal to 9, like nonagon. Deca is equal to 10, like decagon. And dodeca is equal to 12, like dodecagon. Math suffix. Gon means angle, like hexagon, it has 6 angles. Now let's learn some. So we will start from grams. So grams grams so grams then deci means tenth. So decigram means a tenth of a gram. Then a centi means hundredth. So centigram means a hundredth of a gram. Milli means thousandth. So milligram means a thousandth of a gram. Now deca will come forward. Deca means 10, so decagram means 10 grams. Hecto means 100, means 100 gram. Kilo means 1000, so kilogram means 1000 grams. Now let's learn some math keywords. When we solve a question, we see this math keywords. So if you will find the word sum, total, plus, in all together, and parameter increased by together, so you should it addition, add. If you see times, each, in all, twice, product, area, factor, multiple, multiply, so we will multiply, multiplication. If you will see difference, less than, minus, take away, fewer, left over, exceed, are not, remain, how many more, so we will subtract, subtraction. And if you will see half, same, split, quotient, divisor, equal group, separate, to separate, divided by, and dividend, shared equally, distribute, cut up, so you will divide here, division.